This is a simple and easy recipe for Asian style chicken noodle soup. I have some Thailand rice sticks, so you can use these for the noodle soup. So we're going to make the basic chicken noodle soup, and you can use whatever kind of noodles that you like. So we got some water boiling. So we're just going to add about a teaspoon of salt to the water so the noodles don't stick when we boil them. So we're just going to make one order of chicken noodle soup. So just take a bunch of noodles here. So put the noodles in the water. So just stir the noodles around so it doesn't stick. So for these noodles, on the instructions it says 6 to 8 minutes, but I'm going to probably take the noodles out a little quicker. I like my noodles a little more firm and chewy. So I'm just going to check the noodles right now. The noodles have been in the water for about 3 minutes now. So that's the texture that I like at about 3 minutes. So if you like the noodles a little more soft, just keep boiling the noodles. But I'm going to take off the noodles right now. Just run some cold water through the noodles, so this will stop the cooking of the noodles. So that's ready for the next step. This is the chicken stock that we have from yesterday. It's infused with the ginger, garlic, and the green onions. So this chicken stock we put in the fridge overnight, and then we put the put it through a strainer. And then you also take out the fat. So if you don't have chicken stock, you can use chicken soup base. You can use chicken bones to make your own soup stock. The broth has been boiling. So I'm going to put about 4 ounces of cooked chicken from yesterday's chicken. So you can put some veggies in there. If you want your veggies cooked a little longer, put the veggies in first. I put a little bit of broccoli in there. So I like my broccoli fairly crispy and crunchy, so I put it in last. So just go like that. I'm going to garnish the chicken noodle soup with some green onions. So just cut some green onions on there. And then I'm going to put about a teaspoon of sesame oil. So this will have nice fragrance and also add to the taste. There you have it. Easy Asian style chicken noodle soup. Enjoy. The Chinese cooking channel called Chinese Cooking Channel was awarded one of the top 20 best Chinese food blogs and websites in the world. I'd like to thank all my viewers for all your support and help. And I look forward to making more Chinese cooking videos for you.